Welcome everyone. It is time once again to use arguably the best screen on Market Surge, Mark Minervini's 1 to 4 month trend screener, two-time US investment champion and record holder in the $1 million division until this year, well I guess last year, 2024. J-Law broke his record. His record was 314%, if memory serves, and J-Law's 334%, tripling his $1 million account in 1 year. Anyway, my name's Joe. I am a professional full-time trader, and I use this screen. I try to run it once a week, but I do a bunch of other screens too. Sometimes I don't get to it, and I have done a few screens of this Minervini screens in the past on YouTube. Let's jump right in. But one reason I want to do this is because for the first time in 2 months, the market is actually looking pretty good. This is the Qs, the NASDAQ 100, QQQ, and it has been a total chop fest for 2 months. But look at the volatility dry up. There's a large, there's a large, there's a large, there's a medium, there's a medium, there's a small, breakout today, February 13th. Perfect time to be uncovering some new diamonds in the rough. Wait, diamonds in the rough, is that right? I can't remember that old cliche. Not investment advice. Let's jump into it right now. And if you already know how to find it, just skip ahead maybe 30 seconds or so. For the rest of you guys, it is buried. Hold on, let me close that. We don't want to cheat. Hold on, let me pause. It is absolutely buried here. I don't know why they make it so hard to find, but they do. But let me show it to you right now. And then once you find it, you can favorite it, and then it'll be under here, under your favorites. So you go into the bottom window here, you go reports, stocks, technical, and there they are, Minervini. Now there's a few different ones. I'm not going to explain all the nuances, but the 1 to 4 month trend template is basically showing stocks that have been, well, here you go. Let me show you another trick. On any of these screens, if you click on this upside down triangle and go to view details, it will tell you about the screen. Developed by Mark Minervini, the trend template list screen for stocks. Wow, sorry, I'm not reading this very well. With moving averages in an uptrend, the 1 to 4 months version requires the 200-day moving average to be trending up between 1 to 4 months. So basically in a decently established to well-established uptrend. And here they are. If you double click on them, they show up right here. 193. I only want to do this. I only have time to do this for maybe 15 or 20 minutes. And I've got them arranged by relative strength. 99 means they're outperforming 99% of the market. Now, you may wonder why not just buy all the stocks are at 99? Because a lot of the 99s are overextended and susceptible to a pullback. So probably the better ones are going to be 97, 96, 95, but we'll go through real quickly. If you want to screenshot this, I'm not sure why this one is highlighted. Screenshot that, and then I'll roll down here. You can screenshot that, roll down here, screenshot that. Wow, there's a lot of them. Screenshot that, screenshot that. Okay, now, the other thing with the relative strength is I can't remember how this is calculated, but it's over a few months. I can't remember, but it lags a little bit. Sometimes a stock will be rolling over and still be a 99. So here we go. Interesting, biotech, overextended. I'm going to skip it. I'm just going to look for stocks that are immediately buyable or close to it. MFH too choppy, low price stock. Really try to stay above $10 most of the time. Really nice uptrend. KC overextended. BBAI. Wow, what a rocket. Look at this VCP. large, medium, small. Buy it right there. Way you go. Nice base, but it's kind of a base to nowhere. This has been basing for a long time. You could go and set yourself an alert, although it did have a false breakout. I'm going to keep rolling here. We'll find one, I promise. Gorilla Technology, nice breakout. Wish I'd seen you a few days ago. This is a power play, Chinese power play. I've actually been watching this one. I saw it break out. I passed on it. ATGL, Hong Kong IT Solutions, powerful breakout. Gosh, so extended now. We are striking out. Wow, who says the market is lousy right now? Look at this Grail. Look for, one thing I do is I look for volume dry up. And that volume, there's not even any volume registered. What the heck was with that? Huh. Mine technology, marine industry technology. That's a pretty nice uptrend. You could swing trade the trend channel. Not perfect though. Jeez. These stocks are giving me hope. Okay, here we go. This is our first one. These are giving me hope that the market is improving. This looks like a power play. Let's see. 6 to almost 12. Spirit of a power play. Technically it's supposed to be 100%. 11. This did not pull back very much. So basically you got a fast run up in 2 months and then it doesn't give much back. Got a little trading range here. Like the shakeout, false breakout today. Here's what I'd like to see. Couple quiet days and then boom, another run at a new high. Health insurance broker. Health insurance companies are boring, but boy, they can be good investments. Looking at the weekly, nice earnings line trend, just perhaps making the turn to a stage 2 after getting pummeled. 2022. Management has 4%. Yeah, I like it. Let's set an alert, in fact. Okay, set an alert at 10.75. I'd like a little tight area up there first. Alternatively, if it comes back down here to 950, 960, you can try buying near the danger zone, as Mark Minervini says. So all of these have been in an uptrend for 1 to 4 months. Here's your uptrend. See this 200-day. Oh, wait a minute. Is the 200-day black? I managed to confuse myself. This is the 21-day. It's green. Red 50. Black is the 200-day. So here is your 1 to 4 month uptrend. In general, well, I was a member of Minervini's private access for almost 3 years, and one thing he never does is he doesn't buy stocks before this 200 days starts turning up. So even though in hindsight this would have been a good buy point, he would wait until this 200 days turning up. Let's keep rolling. CSBR, too wide and loose. Definitely has some potential. I might go back and put some of these on watch, but I just want to find a few perfect ones. Skillsoft. What the heck? Wild price action. Was this earnings? Huh. Why aren't... For some reason, earnings events are not showing up on this chart. I suspect it was. In any case, we wiped out some supply on the upside, shook out some weak hands to the downside. That's what I'm trying to say. This is all about potential. Companies losing tons of money. Does have some earnings now. AI-based learning platform that is on theme this year. Nice tight area. This would be worth a try. Little breakout from right there would be worth a try, in my opinion. Look and see when, if that wasn't an earnings event. Clearly in stage 2 now, right? Stage 4, stage 1, stage 1-ish, stage 2. That's Stan Weinstein's stage Stage analysis. I think O'Neill did some stage analysis stuff too. Peloton. Is Peloton back from the dead? Looking at the weekly, it's trying to make the turn, isn't it? Is it going to make a measured move here? Nice earnings. Earnings line, that's the green line. Means that earnings are improving. Here's the earnings in real time. This is why you don't buy and hold, you guys. Let's say you held through there and then it's a great company, so you just hold. Look at this. Years later, you're still not at break even. Too much of a pullback. This needs to handle out. I'm going to pass on that. DAO. I tend to avoid Chinese stocks. Too wide and loose. Getting there, though. A little bit of VCP action. Kind of a cup with high handle. This is trading tightly. Gosh, no revenue. Biotech. I'm going to pass. I might regret that, but I'm going to pass. Archer Aviation. This is a little drone, a large drone company, like large size drones. Too wild. This would be a great little moonshot. Throw $100 at it, or whatever you're planning to lose at the casino. Planet Labs looking like it's rolling over. Yeah, Rubric is actually. I do like this one. Cloud data management, good numbers last couple quarters. Here is your cup. Trying to make a handle. I mean, did make a handle of sorts. Broke out, shook out. Honestly, yesterday would have been buyable. If it just continues this cap here for a day or two and then starts floating up, that'd be worth a try. That one's already on one of my lists. ADTN. Nice uptrend. Not really a spot to buy. SSR Mining. Yeah, gold is at an all-time high. This little gold miner, low priced but nice volume. Little tight area. This is buyable in my opinion. I would love for this to go another... Oh, never mind. Earnings in 5 days. I'm not going to buy right in front of earnings. That would be one to try the earnings pivot if it breaks out on earnings. NCTY, Chinese. I do like this tight action. Low float. I'm going to pass. Oh my gosh. Look at all these great stocks we've been missing, you guys. Look at this. Cup. Handle. False breakout because the market was garbage. Broke out for real. Buy it right there. Looks so easy in hindsight, doesn't it? CVKD. Biotech. Yeah, I'm going to pass on biotechs unless the chart is absolutely perfect. Another mining company. We gotta get into one of these gold miners. Sling. Oh, hold on, I messed it up somehow. This is cool. I'm getting. I know a lot of stocks, and most of these I've never seen before. Stabilis Solutions. That is a tongue twister. That one, it looks pretty dead. CDTX, let's keep rolling. Nice uptrend. XPeng, Chinese EVs, steel and technology from Tesla, I'm sure. There's your breakout, pullback buy. But I'm going to pass. GLBE. Yeah, this is one I own. I bought the breakout shakeout, or the shakeout fake out. Here is the here's the fake out. And then here's the shakeout, and then it stayed tight, and then I bought it right there. Drifting up. I'm probably going to unload some before earnings in 6 days. E-commerce. XMTR. 𝗬𝗪, online manufacturing. Too deep of a drop. That probably got popped on DeepSeek. Wow, volume of 1,000. Crazy. No thanks, but man, that's ripping higher. Let's just keep rolling through these. Too much of a drop. Nice uptrend. We kind of missed it. Double bottom. Look at that. Double bottom. Handle. Buy point. Boy, I should have ran this. Should have shown you guys this a week ago. I do own this one. Yeah, here's my chart. I have a Patreon service. I show my portfolio every weekend and my focus list, stocks that are buyable within 5 days. There's a 7-day free trial. Check it out in the description below. I do midweek blog posts and things too. This is a arguably a power play. 100% move, tight action. Bought the second breakout. The second mouse gets the cheese right. Drifting up so far, so good. A lot of the hotel companies are doing well. Team, this is interesting. Earnings pop out of a base. Starting to curl over. I would play this once it breaks out of this trading range. Maybe it needs to do a shakeout first and then goes. MYO. Arm braces for paralysis victims. This could either be a Head and Shoulders top or a nice little base, depending on which way it goes. Pretty good earnings and sales. Just looking at this here. It's had a rough go. How'd you like to be these guys buying at 400? Oh dear. Large, medium. Yeah, that's looking pretty. Actually looking pretty good. Maybe a move above. What is that? 6.5 or something. I'm gonna put it on my list here. It needs a little bit of work. Maybe something like that. I forgot to turn the press record after I paused it last. I'm not sure how many charts I missed, but we're just going to jump in right here. 𝗕𝗨𝗬, funny name for a company. Finance, hot industry, cashless payment processing. Boy, there's a lot of these companies. Nice revenue, newly profitable, powerful breakout. Wonder what is going on with this stock. Trying to get into stage 2. Too extended. Oh no, I like this. 𝗏𝗏. What the heck? There's some funny company names today. Communication Solutions. Strong industry. Newly profitable. Decent numbers, not great. A little bit of a Head and Shoulders, inverted Head and Shoulders there. I like the tight price action. 10 to 17, topped out on earnings. That means it wants to get back up there. Nice quiet base. Here's a cheat area. Here's another cheat area. Boy, that looked buyable today, honestly. 𝗏𝗏, have you guys heard about this company? Website's loading slowly. Sophisticated communication solutions made simple. Home phone service and smart security. Let's put this on the list. All right, got it on stockcharts.com. Let's just measure this pullback. Yeah, only 20%. After a nice 160% run. This is looking great. I wish I would have bought it right there, right there, right there. So now it's up just a little bit. If we get it quiet inside day or two, then we could buy into this position here. I just mean it inside day like that. And it goes on Monday. So let's set an alert. Just so we don't lose track of this. I set an alert at 15.5, but I'm not going to buy it unless it sits quietly for a day or two. At least I'll wait for a better setup. Let's see. MP Materials. Wow, nice new uptrend. Huh. It's interesting. The institutions must know something we don't, because look at this: earnings 0, sales -26. Somebody knows something that we don't. Nice stage 2 uptrend here. Institutions. High short interest. Doc Go. Medical Mobility Solution. I'm just throwing this on the watch list. I like the quiet action. This would be easy to trade once it sets up again, but obviously extended right now. Pulling back too hard. This looks like a buyout. Nice breakout. Kind of. Well, this is coconut water. Yeah, this is. I own this one unsuccessfully somewhere in here. Looks like it's going now, though, doesn't it? Just a little bit extended here. Maybe if it caps out for a few days. You try it there. WXXW1. I'm not even halfway through these. Geez. 20 minutes. Let's go 5 more minutes, all right? Because I have a life. You guys do too. Super thin, 50,000. I generally only trade a stock that has an average daily volume of 200,000. Otherwise, they're too volatile, and the spread between the bid and the ask is too much. I know, you know, the siren song of these low-price stocks, and they really move. But over time, anecdotally, I've lost money on anything under 200,000 shares. I'll go down to 100,000 if a daily shares exchanging hands, if the chart is absolutely perfect. 2,000 shares a day? Wow. Energy company. So it's in an uptrend, but this is really not looking too ideal. This is looking good. MCS. Okay, this is another lodging and entertainment. Is this a movie theater or something? Marcus Corporation. Huh. Lodging and entertainment industries. Hotels, theaters, restaurants. I think the post-COVID play is still happening. Pretty nice cup. Breakout on Wednesday. That looked buyable. Nice triple-digit earnings. Earnings coming up in 2 weeks. That's unfortunate. Nice character change there. Management owns a nice chunk. This does look good. This is, by the way, here's an example of parabolic. Let's say you bought, this shouldn't really give you a good buying opportunity, but let's say you bought right here, or you nailed it right here. You're in this nice uptrend. Then you get a gap up, and then a few wide-ranging days in a row. That is exhaustion action. You want to be selling into this right here. Even if you sold right here, yeah, you missed out on a few percent, but you did also missed out on months of sideways action. Low cheat. Just see if this will make us a handle or something. Let's put it on my list. I'm not really going to set an alert. I just need to watch that one. Let's see. Too messy. Still too messy. Not perfect. Let's find one more. Can we find one more before we call it a day? Madrigal Pharmaceuticals. Earnings coming up. That has some potential. Nice uptrend. Wild. Oh my gosh. Why is this so... This must be some... Oh, it's on the OTC board. This must trade overnight. Must be some European company or something. Buyout. buyout. Still trying to find buyout. I'm trying to find us one more. There's ants. When you see ants, these black David Ryan ants, that doesn't mean buy it there. That means wait for a pullback and then buy it when it's done pulling back. Nice breakout cup. Handle's too short. Earnings coming up. There's 10,000 stocks. That means be picky, right? Don't buy something that's not set up well. China, doggone it. I was starting to like this, but the Chinese. First National, Virginia. Wow. Triple digit earnings. Bank. Pulling back. The volume is big, though. You want the pullback to be on light volume. That's heavy volume. Luckin Coffee, Chinese. This had one of the biggest scandals, accounting scandals in history. This is one reason I don't like Chinese stocks. I had a friend that was buying this and then got absolutely destroyed. 50 to 1. In fact, I think it stopped trading for a while. Oh, earnings coming up. Doggone it. Still trying to find that one more. Take-Two. They make the GTA 6 game. That's going to be a good moneymaker for them. Buyout. Too wild. Nice little base. Too short. All right. Let's end here on Snowflake. Destroyed in 2022. Earnings only 2 weeks away. All right. Nice revenue growth. See that? Management owns a nice chunk. They are in my hometown, Bozeman, Montana. I didn't know that. Cloud-based data warehousing. Really nice, well-formed cup. Handle with a double shakeout. There's a shakeout. There's a shakeout. Really was buyable today, February 13th. But we could still salvage this thing. 226. Yeah, see, we got about 2 weeks of trading. If it opened quietly, maybe gives back a little bit tomorrow, and then starts to push to the upside, we could still get in with a decent position. And then the goal is to have at least a 5% cushion. Maybe 7 or 8 would be ideal, and then you could hold into earnings. Okay, you guys. I'm going to sign off here. Here's a bunch more to look at. Let's just jump. I have a partner seeking alpha premium. Let's look at this 𝗏𝗏 company. So there's a link in the description below to seeking alpha premium if you're interested. Let's just type it in. This gives us the transcripts, all sorts of financials, and we can read analysis articles. Hold, buy. 𝗏𝗏 ups guidance as operating leverage improves. I might read this once I sign off here. Let me know your thoughts and comments. If you have Market Surge, I encourage you to use these Minervini screens, like I said, at least once a week or as often as you can. And if you don't have Market Surge, don't worry. I'll do this from time to time and show you some good potential stocks. All right. Take care, everybody.